Y'all already know we gotta start this up with the bottle flip. Now, this bottle got us the bottle flip last time. I call this the throw up bottle. Okay, I missed. That doesn't even count. One more try. Ooh, sometimes I just feel it, you know? Sometimes I just feel, what if 2 in a row? 2 in a row, boys. 1, 2. What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video. Today we are going to be doing something small, but something that I've actually wanted to do to one of my cars for a long time, and I never had the actual, I just never got around to doing it. So today we're going to be doing it. Switchback LEDs. What are switchback LEDs? A lot of you guys don't know what switchback LEDs are. So basically, these are for your turn signal. As you see, there are orange and a white LED on there. So basically, when you hit the turn signal, it flashes orange. When your turn signal is off, then it stays white. So it's kind of like a DRL. If you guys want a DRL sort of looking thing, there you go. And I'm gonna be doing this on my Mazdaspeed. You guys can do it on your first gens. I was gonna do it on the first gen, just never got around to doing it. And yeah, so this is quite fun. I just put one in already. It's a little difficult to get to the area to take them out, but we'll go ahead and we'll get her done. It's also Christmas today, guys. Merry Christmas. I know this video is probably gonna be a January video? January video. Maybe, I'm not sure. But Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Get the bread. So I'm actually quite surprised how much of like a difference these do make. So we put it in on this side. As you guys can see right there. You go ahead and turn it on. You guys can see it's on. It switches over to the amber. Take it off, and it turns on. So in a nutshell, it looks like this. So you get the orange like lights on, then you get the white ones, but like look how much brighter that is. And then the flashing, a nice amber LED flashing, as you guys can see, like how much that lights up compared to how much that does. Like that's a world of a difference. So that's what these switchbacks do. That's what we're going to be doing to that side. In order to do this without taking the front bumper off and taking the headlight out, we're going to have to work into the fender tray. So just pop a couple bolts, and then we'll be able to kind of look in there and see what we got to do. Super easy. I got pre-wired ones, and then the bulb as well. So basically this piece right here is what you plug into the old socket where the light comes out of, and then this is where you plug into there, and that's already dealt with. It's got an LED resistor on it and everything. So basically all you got to worry about is just mounting the LED resistor and then just plug everything else in and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these 3 out, and then it should give me enough room to reach my arm in there. As you guys can see, it's kind of battle damaged. I know the window washer thing is on this side, so this might be a little bit more difficult. So up right there, I believe, somewhere in there. Okay, so I just felt it by hand. I can't really show you because it is super tight. And like just trying to put my hand in there is just killing me. But I did get it. I'm gonna pull that out if I can. I can't even pull that out. Now I'm gonna get a cramp. Oh, I'm gonna get a cramp in my foot. I'm gonna get a cramp in my foot, dude. Mazda took a big L again. So now you guys can see the bulb there. So this makes it a lot easier now with a little bit of light. So you can see where it came out of, and you can see the bulb right there. So go ahead and take the old bulb out. Just give a tug on that, and just like you got the old bulb out. The objective is to plug this, because okay, so we got it plugged in. Okay, now this piece has to go in. This is the most stupid design for a bulb. Why would they make this complicated? You get pulled over because your light bulb doesn't work. What are you supposed to do? Nothing. You can't do anything. You get pulled over, you get brought to the impound yard because you can't change your light bulb by yourself because Mazda made such a horrible design. They have to take your entire front bumper off. So the next part you guys are going to want to do is get the bulb in there to that hole right in the corner. So like I said, I can't show you guys anything, so y'all can watch me attempt and get mad. So far I'm pretty battle damaged. Got cuts all over my hands. Oops, that didn't go. Okay, so I did a lot of work off camera. So what I actually did off camera was I was having difficulty with the bulb rotating into the socket. So I think the guy might have misplaced the socket, like put the wrong one in there, or just different from whatever. Anyway, so I had to melt off one of the tabs so that it could fit into the bulb and rotate. So I did that, and then I took the headlight out of the car. I just unclipped like part of the bumper, and then I took it out so I could see what I was doing. I was able to rotate it in, put it back in, and now the lights are in. So both of them are working 100%. They look sick. Like, that looks sick. I'm really glad with that. I'm glad I don't have to go around with like those orange lights. The only thing that I'm a little upset about that I really did want was like when the car is off and then you unlock and unlock it, it does flash orange, which kind of sucks, but it's reasonable and, you know, whatever. So it's super easy to install. I shouldn't really have to show you guys anything. It's pretty straightforward, so I'll show you what it looks like. As you guys see, then it blinks over to orange, which is awesome. I love that. It looks super good. And then say we go over here, turn that off, or we turn the headlights on, and then it's gonna be it's honestly, I think it should help out at night. It honestly looks cool because the bulb, the bulbs on the side, it's a tad different color than what my headlight and my fog lights are, so it kind of offsets it a bit, and it's super shiny, so it doesn't get in trouble. But that's with the headlights on, and then like I said, you turn the blinker on, then that side stays normal and that side flashes. So overall, super impressed. And like I was saying earlier when the video started, you guys can do this for any of your cars. So the Mazda 3 back there, like I could take these off this car, put it on the Mazda 3. You just, like I said, just make sure you have the right bulb size. I think they're the same, 7440 or 7443. It's kind of like the same thing. But they both fit. I definitely recommend like doing it. Gets you kind of like familiar with like taking bulbs out. It's kind of a pain in the ass. My wrists are like literally all like cut up. My hands are bleeding and everything. And so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content with the Mazdaspeed. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see you guys in the next one.